The functional structure is one of the most widely used organizational models in business. It groups employees based on specific job functions such as marketing, finance, operations, and human resources. Each department operates independently with a clear chain of command from top management down to employees within that function. Functional structures work best for organizations that require efficiency, specialization, and clear accountability. Large corporations, government agencies, and traditional businesses often use this model because it allows for a high level of expertise within departments. Employees can focus on their specialized roles, leading to greater efficiency and productivity. However, the functional structure has its challenges. Communication between departments can become siloed, making cross-functional collaboration more difficult. Decision-making can also be slow, as issues must move up and down the chain of command before action is taken. Additionally, employees may become too focused on their departments and lose sight of the company's overall goals. To optimize a functional structure, businesses should encourage interdepartmental communication through cross-functional teams or collaborative tools. Leadership should also ensure that decision-making processes remain agile and not overly bureaucratic. Regular strategy meetings that align department goals with the broader organizational mission can help mitigate some of these challenges. Ultimately, the functional structure is ideal for businesses that prioritize efficiency, expertise, and well-defined roles. When properly managed, it can provide the stability and specialization necessary for long-term success. In our next lesson, we'll explore another key organizational model and how it compares to the functional structure.